Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please one, subscribe, two, like, share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. Three, like, leave a comment, subscribe. Four, subscribe. All right. Our lesson for today is how to organize data into a frequency table. And this is for grade 7 mathematics, fourth quarter. And this is your teacher, Marife Adonis. So we have here our K question. How can data be organized to make valid references? Okay, so are going to organize qualitative data. When data is surveyed, an experiment were surveyed or design experiment, they must be organized into a manageable form. Data that is not organized is referred to as raw data. Ways to organize data, we have tables, through tables like frequency tables, the graphs, okay, and later we will study how to make a graph, and then through numerical summaries. So it is important as a student of statistics, no, in all fields, okay. And of course, here is the example. So this is the following data that are obtained in a survey on the number of cell phones possessed by each family. Okay, so we have here. Question, how many students were surveyed? So if you are going to count this one by one, so there are how many? So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 60, or I don't know, because here it's 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. That's about 49. No, I think. And then how many families have at least two cell phones in the position? So we need to do this into a frequency distribution. Okay, and then how many families have less than four cell phones? Okay, so on the next tables, no, let us organize data in frequency distribution table. So step one, set up a table using three columns. Okay, so we have here three columns. So we have the number of cells, no? So we have the number of cells, the tally, and the frequency distribution. And then each item in column one is called the class of the table. Okay. Now, so we have here, so read each item in the row data and mark a stroke or tally on the tally column and the same. So for example, one. So how many students got one here? So we have 1, 2, 3. So there are three, no? There are three people or three students. So this is correct. Okay, so this is correct. Next we have, so is it said here, we have 6. Okay, so let us see kung 6 nga talaga yung 2. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6. It's true. Next, according to the here, so we have 4, 8, 12. So 12. So let's see if there are 12 families who have three cell phones. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there are 14. Okay, am I right? So we have one, again, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Actually, it's 15. So there are 15, no? So that means the tally is not complete. So there are 15. Okay. Next, for 4, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so there are 12. Okay, next sa ating, okay, let's have, okay, let's have here in 5. How many get 5? Or how many families get 5? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. Then for 6, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay, 4 twos. Meron pa pala dito, oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, there are 7, 6. Okay, so tama nilagyan ko kanina. Okay? Then let's move on. So mark every fifth stroke with a, okay. So yan, to make it something easier. Okay, so the frequency, so here are the frequencies. So we have 3, 7, 15, 12, 8, 5. Okay, so we are correct. And this is, so the table. Okay, so we are gonna have the total of 50, no? 50 cell phones. So for each 5 or 6 families. So the table form is called the frequency table. So a frequency table, it shows clear, no? Clear and definite information about a set of data. So with a frequency table, we can easily know which class has the lowest frequency. Right. So for we have now questions. How many students were surveyed? So the answer is 50. How many families have at least 2 cell phones in their position? The answer is 7. And how many families have less than 4 cell phones? There are 25. Okay. So okay. What is a frequency distribution? So frequency distribution table is a systematic way of presenting data, so using a table. So the data are grouped into different intervals or numbers of classes assigned by the researchers. So usually the ideal number of classes in a form from 5 to 20 only. So this is okay. Later on the next tutorial, we're going to construct a frequency table or for the group data. So this is already group data, but we will make a more comprehensive example for a group. No? So for example, if your population is more than uh 50, no, or more than 60, I think, no, or 100. So though it's ideal to have a class interval of 5 to 20, but the population or the number of respondents depends on how you are going to make a frequency distribution for a group data. Okay, so guys, so this is for today. So see you all, and I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Okay, subscribe. 3, like, leave a comment. Okay, so you have your question. Don't hesitate to ask questions, please, and of course to subscribe. 4. A. All right. So for questions and clarification, just write it at the comment section. Remember, gratitude is the best attitude. Bye bye, everyone. So through the modern world, maybe it's time for us to grow. So statistics is important in every part of life, especially as part of a students and where you are learning more. Okay, so the world needs a great statisticians, and some knowledge in mathematics is very important. Okay, so to all my teams, Organic Barcadas, White Teas International, Team Solid Family, the Team Pruthies, thank you guys for always supporting my channel. And of course, to all my students, now if you have questions, if for probably you can understand, um, our medium of instruction is English, so please study more, learn more to English. It is important. God bless everyone. I love you all. Bye bye.